In this example, we want to express the number 60 in prime factor form. To help us do this, we're going to consider a tree. We start by putting our number 60 at the top of the tree, and then we're going to form a series of branches coming off that. I'm going to put a number at each of the end of the branches. These two numbers, when multiplied together, give us 60. Since 60 has a lot of factors, we have many choices, but for this example, I'm going to choose the number 5 and 12, since together 5 times 12 gives us 60. Since 5 is a prime number, this branch has terminated. 12, on the other hand, is not a prime number. We can break that down a bit further. 12 is equal to 3 times 4. Again, 3 is a prime number, so we're going to terminate that branch. 4 is equal to 2 times 2, so I'm going to add 2 branches here with 2 on the end of each. 2 is a prime number, so now our remaining branches have terminated. This tells us that 60 is equal to 5 times 3 times 2 times 2. We tend to write the prime numbers in order, going from smallest to largest. That is, we write 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Since we have two 2's, we can write that as 2 squared times 3 times 5. This gives us our final answer. As I said at the start, we could have chosen different numbers to decompose 60. For example, we could have started with 60 and broken it down into 6 times 10. If we do this, we would continue in the same way, and in fact we would end up with the exact same prime factor form. I'll leave this for you to try at home.